Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix weather app layers not loading correctly on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1: zoom out the layer and zoom back in. Open weather app, then zoom all the way out until the bar at the top loads fully, then zoom back into the area you want to see the weather. If it does not work, reboot your device, again zoom out and zoom the area in, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a good internet connection. For better connection, refresh airplane mode, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check your location services. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on privacy and security. Tap on location services. Make sure that it's turned on, and find and tap on weather. Select high using the app or budget, then check whether app is working properly or not, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset network settings. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on general. Scroll up. Tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset setting. Tap on reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds, and restarting your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is update iOS version. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on general. Tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update, and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix weather app layers not loading correctly on iPhone after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.